वाले हैं कि एक हॉलो स्क्वायर कैसे प्रिंट किया जाएगा. Okay, so I'm just copying it, and this is the previous code. Okay, just I have to make a new file for that. Just I am pasting it. Wait, just a second. Copying it and pasting over here. Okay, and just comment it. So we have to deduce some condition from it. Okay, so let's write in terms of I and j how the loops are working. So when I is equal to 0, j is executing for 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, when I is equal to 1, j is executing only for 0 and 4. Okay, same thing for I is equal to 2, same thing for I is equal to 3, and and for I is equal to 0 and I is equal to 4 is same thing. So it will divide into two cases, I is equal to 0 or I is equal to 4. Okay, so we will write a separate logic for this I is equal to 4 and I is equal to 0, and for I is equal to, so basically for the first and last row condition will be same, and for all the intermediate rows condition will be same. So we will have two conditions for first and last row, and for other rows another condition. I is equal to 0 or I is equal to n minus 1. Okay, then कितने स्टार्स प्रिंट होंगे? All are just stars. Okay, if okay j is equal to 0 or j is equal to n minus 1, then print stars, otherwise print spaces. That's it. Only thing you can deduce it from here. Just keep this logic inside this inner loop. Just remove it and write it. That's it. So हमें क्या चेक करना है कि अगर जो पहला या आखिरी रो है, मीन्स इफ I is equal to 0 or condition if I is equal to n minus 1, तो इसके लिए अलग कंडीशन है. else I is less than n minus 1. That's it. तो जब ये होगा तो हमें क्या प्रिंट करना है? जस्ट प्रिंट stars in complete row if first and last row it is, just type printf. Okay, that's it. अगर जो पहला और आखिरी रो है तब तो पूरे स्टार्स प्रिंट होंगे. एल्स पार्ट में क्या चेक करना है? इफ, अब कॉलम्स को हमें चेक करना है. इफ j इज इक्वल टू 0 मीन्स पहला कॉलम है, और j इक्वल टू n माइनस 1 मीन्स आखिरी कॉलम है, तो हमें क्या प्रिंट करना है? प्रिंट एफ स्टार. ओके, एल्स क्या प्रिंट करना है हमें? जस्ट प्रिंट स्पेसेस. दैट्स इट. हो गया. जस्ट सेव इट एंड रन इट. Yeah, you can see that it is printing. So that's it for today. Thank you.